Hey everyone, it's Christian Lopez here. If you haven't been to my channel before, welcome. If you have, welcome back. And you may have noticed something different. I had a little bit of a Britney Spears moment and decided to shave my head yesterday. So yeah, I'm currently at work right now, and today we're going to be installing the front lip on my Miata. So today's video is a how-to on the front lip. I'm actually going to be using the lift at work. Shout out to them for letting me use the lift and recording a video. That's pretty tight. I want to be able to show you guys, how to install it from an easier perspective. That way you can see, the undercarriage of the vehicle as we install the front lip. It's only going to take a few screws and some double-sided tape. So yeah, let's get to it. So I picked this lip up off of Amazon, like I said, for about $40 and took 3 days to get to me, which is honestly amazing. $40, 3-day shipping, and I got it. The crazy thing about this though is that I originally was thinking that I was going to have to buy screws and 3M tape to install this, but it actually already came with screws to install. So the only thing that I'll be needing is the 3M tape to get this thing installed. Now, one cool thing that I noticed was, as you can see right here, they have the pre-made holes for the drilling of this front lip onto the vehicle. But this hole here, as well as this one here on the corner, will actually align up perfect with this flathead bolt here and here. Now these right here are the old OEM bolts. They will work, it will fit just fine, but I figured I'm just gonna get some new ones because this one here is actually way too short. It looks like someone replaced one of them at a time, and this one's too short to use to mount the front fender up to the bumper. So I just grabbed these two newer bolts that will work the exact same. So now that I have these new bolts in, they basically fit right in with the fender. This is gonna be easier to put it up on the car. It will work the exact same though. So if you have the original bolts that are long enough, use those. I just use these because they fit better. So now that I have this front lip basically bolted on, what I'm going to be doing next, taking off the double-sided tape and then drilling in the screws. Sorry, there's a little bit of background noise. I'm at work, so there's not much I can do. All the 3M tape sides have been taken off. That stuff is irritating to work with. Now we're going to basically just try to align everything up. And I'm actually going to start off by tightening the corners. All right. Corners are all tight. And begin drilling. Now the nice thing about this front lip is everything is already pre-drilled. So a lot of front lips, nothing is pre-drilled. It's nice to know that you can see exactly where to put these components. All right, everyone, it is actually 3 months later from the last clip that you guys just saw. I wanted to test out this front lip before I basically did an ending to it. So yeah, it's about 3 months since that last video, and this front lip has honestly held up spectacular. It was $40 on Amazon, great deal. I got it in 3 days. This isn't sponsored whatsoever, but basically I have put the front lip through so much carnage in the past 3 months. I've basically been driving as if my car was not lowered and I didn't have a front lip. I have hit the front lip countless amount of times. It's ridiculous, honestly. It has drift stitches, zip ties, in 2 separate places on this right side because I have dragged this thing on the floor. I've definitely put it through its works, and honestly it's held up pretty damn well for what I've done to it. So I'm really happy with the purchase. I'm happy with the front lip. I think it gives the front end of the car a little bit more character. I wouldn't say aggressive because Miatas really aren't aggressive. They're 90 horsepower, little drift missile cars. They're cool. I like them. It's my daily driver. But I just wanted to give it a little bit more of a look, and I'm really happy with the installation. Everything went super well. I definitely recommend this front lip. It's really easy to install. Wow, there's a whole bunch of wind. I hope you guys can hear me. Before I close this video out though, real quickly, right here, I have YouTube channel decals. Not YouTube channel, Instagram channel. Basically, my branded stickers. First, like, merch I've ever had, and I'm actually doing a giveaway on them. Here, I'll give you guys a closer look. These are them right here. Hopefully it is focusing. Now, I'm going to be giving away 6 stickers. 3 people are going to win 2 each. It's not going to cost you guys anything. The only way to enter is going to be making sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, you're following me on Instagram, and then I'm going to be posting a picture on my Instagram account. You're just going to have to repost that and tag me in it. So repost the picture I have, tag me in it, be following me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And 1 week from today, the date is going to be right here across the screen. I'll be announcing the winner on my Instagram account. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. As always, make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share.